Much of the weight loss industry likes to focus on overweight Americans. That's where the money is for them. But the truth is, much of the world is overweight, too. Studies showed that in 2000, 45% of adults all over the world were overweight. Overweight people are more likely to have chronic health problems such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and knee arthritis. Overweight people also die at younger ages than persons of normal weight. Many overweight people want to lose weight to improve their health and their appearance. Because so many people want to lose weight and doing it is difficult, there are many commercial weight loss programs on the market. Many are expensive, capitalizing on the huge demand. Of those programs, many are ineffective. Each year millions of Americans and Europeans enroll in commercial and self-help weight loss programs. Healthcare providers and their obese patients know little about these programs because of the absence of systematic reviews. Unfortunately, many patients and their doctors know little about the effectiveness and safety of these programs, either. Few high-quality studies have assessed weight loss programs. Many of the existing studies present the best-case scenario because they do not account for people who drop out of the program. The evidence to support the effectiveness of major commercial weight loss programs is limited. Patients considering the use of commercial weight loss programs should realize that these programs have not been carefully studied. So, do weight loss programs really work? Some do in the short term, but long-term results are doubtful. The real effective way to lose weight is just what we all want to ignore: behavioral change done diligently over time. Changing behavior over time and engaging in a regular exercise routine is what will take excess weight off and keep it off. There is no magic potion, pill or program. Change behavior from what you eat to how you eat it. How much you eat and when is the key to long-term, successful weight loss. It comes down to more calories used each day, called burning calories, than taking in, called eating. If you are fighting obesity haphazardly, start to change your behavior today. Use a smart yet systematic approach to behavior modification. It will take time, but the long-term benefits and permanent weight loss will be there.